Hello, John from Peter Tyson. The Naim Uniti range are some of the finest all-in-one systems you can buy, in my humble opinion of course. So does the new Naim Uniti Nova PE follow suit? Let's find out and crack on. The Uniti range starts with the Uniti Atom, and it comes in two variants, the Headphone edition and the Atom HDMI. The Headphone edition is focused on sat alone, listening to your headphones with no friends and being very selfish, with its excellent headphone amp and built-in DAC. There's a host of inputs, high-resolution streaming options, and also perfect as a very nice streaming preamplifier with its power amplifier outputs. If you want a true one-box solution and just add speakers, the Naim Uniti Atom HDMI adds a 40-watt Class AB power amplifier, HDMI ARC socket, hence its name, for connection to a TV. For its price, it's the absolute benchmark of all-in-one systems in my opinion. Absolutely stunning bit of kit. If you want the next step, then you go up to the Uniti Star. It's the same excellent streaming options, screen, control interface and app as the Atom, but added physical media with a built-in CD drive. It not only plays CDs, it can rip them to an attached USB or SD storage. You also get a beefier 70 watts per channel into Atom's integrated Class AB amplifier for more demanding speakers or larger rooms. And finally, the top of the range Uniti Nova. Same features as the others without the CD drive, but an upgraded Class AB amplifier that offers 80 watts into 8 ohms. Still not enough? Then that brings us to the brand new model, the Naim Uniti Nova PE, which stands for Power Edition, and it is exactly what it says on the tin. It's the Uniti with more power. All of the features of the regular Nova, but they've packed a staggering 150 watts into 8 ohms, or 250 watts into 4 ohms. Enough for really demanding loudspeakers in very large spaces. Obviously, to get to those sort of figures, Naim have had to go down the Class D route. And I know some audiophiles will groan at the thought of that, but it's really cool to see how Class D has progressed. Because of its efficiency, more power can be crammed into smaller and smaller boxes, making hi-fi a little more aesthetically pleasing and a little more accessible to more people, and I'm all for it. And when Class D is taken this seriously, it can be very impressive. No matter what I hooked up, Focal, Bowers & Wilkins, Sonus Faber, Kudos, everything sounded pretty effortless. There's certainly no shortage of oomph with larger speakers in bigger rooms. Even relatively low cost speakers and speakers way out of its price range were kept in check and sounded pretty impressive. As impressive as the connectivity and streaming options are, it's still at the end of the day a one box solution, and it's firmly in the price range of some serious separates. Apart from changing speakers, adding a power amp or subwoofer and updating software, it can't ever be upgraded over time. Separates hi-fi very much still has a place. It is quite a unique product. I can't think of another one-box solution that has quite as much guts. And the Uniti Nova PE exists for a very good reason. For those who want a one-box solution and don't necessarily want the boxes of a big separate system, but then you want to drive something like the Focal Sopra 2 or Sopra 3, where the normal Uniti range just doesn't have enough power to do them justice. Right from the start, I promised to be nothing but honest. I really like Naim. The whole Mu-so series, the Uniti range as a whole, and indeed the full hi-fi systems like the classic 300 series are staggeringly good. And the Uniti Nova PE doesn't have that usual Naim sound signature. It is different thanks to that Class D. And now, whether that's to everybody's taste, that's for you to decide. But I personally prefer the overall musicality of the original Class AB amplifiers that Naim tend to use. Like I bang on in every video, this is just my opinion, and you shouldn't buy anything based on a YouTuber or a reviewer or a magazine. It's good to make a short list and to get some general advice, but really it's your system, you're going to have to listen to it at home, so I encourage you to go and listen for yourself. Whether it be here at Peter Tyson's in Carlisle or Newcastle or any other good hi-fi dealer that's local to you, you'll see me in the next video. Take care.